AI productivity refers to the enhancements brought about by artificial intelligence in the workplace. It significantly transforms business operations by automating repetitive tasks, thus allowing employees to focus on high-value activities. This shift leads to increased efficiency, better decision-making, and a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. Current trends in AI showcase advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and automation. These technologies are revolutionizing productivity across industries by enhancing data analysis, streamlining communication, and eliminating repetitive tasks. As a result, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, innovation, and improved customer experiences in today's competitive landscape. AI tools are increasingly vital in remote work settings, enhancing collaboration and communication among distributed teams. These technologies streamline task management, automate scheduling, and foster real-time feedback, making teamwork more effective. As a result, remote workers can maintain productivity and engagement, contributing to overall organizational success. Future predictions for AI integration suggest a significant rise in the use of virtual assistants and AI-based decision-making tools. These advancements will facilitate more efficient daily tasks, enhance productivity, and provide valuable insights in real time, ultimately transforming how individuals and organizations operate in various sectors. AI is designed to complement human skills rather than replace them, enhancing productivity and job satisfaction. By automating routine tasks, AI allows employees to focus on strategic, creative, and interpersonal aspects of their roles, fostering a more engaging work environment and enabling professionals to leverage their unique talents effectively. Implementing AI solutions presents several challenges for businesses, including the need to ensure data privacy and address ethical considerations surrounding AI use. Moreover, organizations must prioritize employee training to successfully integrate these technologies, equipping workers with the skills necessary to harness AI's full potential while maintaining a responsible approach. We highlight case studies from companies that have successfully integrated AI into their workflows, showcasing significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. These success stories illustrate tangible benefits, including increased output, reduced operational costs, and enhanced decision-making capabilities, demonstrating the powerful impact of AI on modern business practices. As AI continues to advance, the role of human creativity becomes increasingly vital. Future AI productivity will not only rely on automated tasks but also necessitate a harmonious balance with creative thinking. This integration allows for innovative solutions and unique ideas, enhancing effectiveness and driving progress in diverse fields. In conclusion, embracing the future of AI productivity is essential for individuals and organizations. By adopting new technologies and staying informed about emerging trends, ethical practices, and potential challenges, we can harness the power of AI to enhance productivity while ensuring responsible and sustainable development in our workplaces.